Change is something we often wish for others, hoping it will improve our lives. Yet true change begins within ourselves. This shift involves moving from feelings of isolation, loneliness, anger, fear, and pain to a state of peacefulness where we can truly enjoy life. When we believe that everything is perfect in our world, we find peace in knowing that our journey will always lead to our greater good, no matter the direction it takes. As we navigate through 2024, it's essential to manifest our dream life amidst the inevitable ups and downs. The year has already shown us its challenges, but it's also a time of tremendous potential. By focusing on inner change, we can create the life we desire. This process involves letting go of old beliefs and habits that no longer serve us and accepting new ways of thinking and being. When we decide to make a change, we often face a transitional period where we vacillate between old and new habits. This is normal and part of the growth process. It's crucial to be patient with ourselves during this time. Instead of beating ourselves up for not being perfect, we need to build ourselves up with positive thoughts and affirmations. For instance, if you're worried about financial stability, start affirming that there will be plenty of resources available to you. Small changes in how we think about our situations can make a big difference. It's about altering our mindset and viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. In the face of uncertainty, maintaining a positive mindset is key. It's about transforming our thoughts and perceptions to align with our goals. When challenges arise, instead of seeing them as obstacles, view them as opportunities for growth. This shift in perspective can make all the difference in how we experience the year ahead. One practical step towards manifesting your dream life is through daily affirmations. Positive affirmations help reprogram our subconscious mind, allowing us to align our thoughts with our desires. For example, if financial stability is a concern, affirm statements like, "I am open to receiving abundant financial resources," or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Setting clear, achievable goals is a powerful way to navigate through 2024's challenges and uncertainties. These goals give you a sense of direction and purpose. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate each milestone you achieve. This approach helps maintain motivation and keeps you focused on your path. Visualization is another technique that can significantly aid in manifesting your dream life. Take a few minutes each day to visualize your ideal life as vividly as possible. See yourself living the life you desire, experiencing the emotions and sensations that come with it. This practice helps reinforce your intentions and keeps your mind aligned with your goals. It's also crucial to cultivate self-love and self-compassion. The journey towards manifesting your dream life can be bumpy, and there will be moments when things don't go as planned. During these times, be kind to yourself. Acknowledge your efforts and progress, no matter how small they may seem. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a close friend. Taking care of your physical health is equally important. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest can enhance your overall well-being and increase your resilience against stress. When your body feels good, it's easier to maintain a positive mindset and stay focused on your goals. Building a daily routine that supports your mental and emotional well-being can make a significant difference. Incorporate activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as meditation, reading, or spending time in nature. These activities help recharge your energy and keep you grounded amidst the chaos. As you work towards manifesting your dream life, it's essential to stay flexible and open to change. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes our plans need to adapt to new circumstances. Being open to new possibilities and willing to adjust your plans as needed can help you navigate unexpected challenges more effectively. Reflect on your progress regularly. Take time to evaluate what's working and what isn't. This reflection helps you make necessary adjustments and keeps you moving forward. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks. Each step you take, whether forward or backward, is part of your journey towards manifesting your dream life. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Start a gratitude journal and write down a few things you're grateful for each day. This practice can help you maintain a positive outlook and attract more positive experiences into your life. Trust in the process and have faith in your ability to create the life you desire. Patience is key. Manifesting your dream life takes time, and there will be moments of doubt and frustration. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should, and keep moving forward with confidence and determination. Engage in activities that boost your creativity and allow you to express yourself freely. Creative expression can be a powerful outlet for stress and a way to connect with your inner self. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or any other form of creativity, find what brings you joy and make time for it. Learn to let go of what no longer serves you. This might include old habits, limiting beliefs, or even certain relationships. Holding on to these can hinder your progress and keep you stuck in old patterns. Letting go creates space for new opportunities and growth. Mindfulness can help you stay present and focused on your journey. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to stay connected to the present moment. Being mindful helps you appreciate the journey and not just the destination. Stay committed to your goals even when the going gets tough. Consistency is crucial in manifesting your dream life. Keep taking steps towards your goals, no matter how small they may seem. Each step brings you closer to the life you envision. Develop a positive relationship with money. View money as a tool that can help you achieve your goals rather than a source of stress. Practice financial responsibility and abundance thinking to attract more financial stability and opportunities. Engage in self-reflection to understand your true desires and passions. Sometimes we get caught up in what we think we should want rather than what truly makes us happy. Take time to connect with your inner self and align your goals with your authentic desires. As you navigate the rest of 2024, stay focused on your vision. Keep your goals in sight and remind yourself why you started this journey. Manifesting your dream life is a continuous process that requires dedication, patience, and a positive mindset. Stay committed to your path and trust that you have the power to create the life you desire. Enjoying the content? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. While it's important to maintain a positive mindset and set achievable goals, another crucial aspect of manifesting your dream life is cultivating resilience. Life in 2024 has proven unpredictable, and building resilience helps you bounce back from setbacks more effectively. This involves developing a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. In addition to resilience, practicing forgiveness can have a profound impact on your journey. Holding on to grudges and past hurts can weigh you down and block the positive energy you need to manifest your desires. Letting go of resentment, whether towards yourself or others, frees up emotional space and allows you to move forward with a lighter heart. Establishing boundaries is another key component. Knowing your limits and protecting your energy is vital for maintaining balance and focus. This means saying no to things that don't align with your goals and values, even if it's difficult. Clear boundaries help you stay dedicated to your path without unnecessary distractions. Engaging in continuous learning is also beneficial. The world is constantly changing, and staying informed and open to new knowledge can provide you with tools and insights to better navigate your journey. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or simply staying curious, ongoing learning keeps you adaptable and resourceful. Your physical environment can significantly influence your mindset and productivity. Creating a space that reflects your goals and inspires you can enhance your ability to stay focused and motivated. This might involve decluttering, redecorating, or organizing your space to better support your aspirations. Developing healthy coping mechanisms for stress is essential. While we've touched on self-care practices, it's also important to have specific strategies for managing stress. This could include practices like deep breathing exercises, journaling, or engaging in hobbies that help you unwind and recharge. Building a routine that incorporates these practices can provide structure and stability. Consistency in your daily habits creates a foundation upon which you can build your dream life. Routines help ensure that you make time for the activities and practices that support your goals. Mindful consumption of media and information is another important aspect. The information you consume can influence your mindset and energy levels. Choosing positive, uplifting content and limiting exposure to negativity can help maintain a positive outlook and keep you focused on your goals. Another powerful tool is visualization. While we've discussed visualizing your dream life, it can be helpful to create a vision board, and this tangible representation of your goals can serve as a daily reminder of what you are working towards and help keep your aspirations at the forefront of your mind. Understanding and harnessing the power of your words can also be life-changing. The language you use shapes your reality. Speaking positively about yourself and your goals reinforces your belief in your ability to achieve them. Avoid negative self-talk and replace it with affirmations that support your desired outcomes. Developing patience is critical. Manifesting your dream life is not an overnight process. It requires time, effort, and persistence. Learning to be patient with yourself in the process can help reduce frustration and maintain a steady course towards your goals. Fostering a sense of curiosity can keep your journey exciting and fulfilling. Curiosity drives exploration and innovation, opening up new possibilities and paths that you might not have considered. Approach each day with a sense of wonder and a willingness to discover new things about yourself and the world around you. Maintaining a balance between action and rest is vital. While it's important to work towards your goals, it's equally important to give yourself time to rest and recharge. Balance prevents burnout and ensures that you have the energy and enthusiasm to continue pursuing your dreams. Exploring the concept of abundance can also shift your mindset from scarcity to plenty. Believing that there are enough resources, opportunities, and successes for everyone, including yourself, can open you up to receiving more of what you desire. This mindset encourages generosity and openness. Engaging in regular self-assessment helps you stay aligned with your goals. Checking in with yourself periodically to evaluate your progress and adjust your strategies as needed ensures that you remain on track. This practice keeps you accountable and adaptable, and learning to trust the process is essential. Trust that your efforts will yield results even if they aren't immediately visible. This trust helps maintain motivation and reduces anxiety about the outcome. Believing in the process allows you to stay committed and focused on your path. Surrounding yourself with symbols of your success can keep you motivated. Whether it's objects, images, or reminders that reflect your goals, having tangible symbols can serve as daily inspiration. These symbols can reinforce your vision and keep your aspirations alive. Investing in your personal development is another key aspect. This might involve taking courses, attending workshops, or seeking mentorship. Personal development enhances your skills and knowledge, empowering you to achieve your goals more effectively. Finally, practicing gratitude for the present moment while not repeating previous points ensures you stay grounded and appreciative of your journey. Being grateful for where you are now, even as you work towards your future, helps maintain a positive and balanced perspective. This gratitude keeps you connected to the present while fueling your motivation for the future. Manifesting your dream life in 2024 is a journey that requires resilience, patience, and continuous effort. The steps and techniques discussed are tools to help navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that come your way. Staying focused, positive, and adaptable will pave the path toward the life you envision. What techniques have you found helpful in your journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. For more tips and guidance on living your best life, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on new content. Your journey is unique and sharing it can inspire others too. Thank you for watching.